Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel of tips and strategy of online marketing. This is my series I talk on a daily basis. Okie dokie. As I share with you the information I have amassed past 2 years at working online marketing. Okay. So that being said, let me share a little bit about myself so you understand, because you may be new to my channel. I'm 60 years old. I am from the west coast of Canada, British Columbia, Canada, in a small city called New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. And of course, I've shared before, I've been doing online marketing for the past couple of years. But before that, I amassed a variety of jobs because I kind of came from the college of life, because I didn't really go to college. I did a variety of jobs, from Morris Julius to McDonald's to I worked in a sheet metal shop. I took care of 6 kids for a few years. I also did so many different things. I worked at a jewelry shop, a gift shop, you name it. I was doing something to keep my income coming in. But 2 years ago, I decided, since I wasn't working a whole lot and I really wanted to try something new in my life, because I knew that I really loved being online, that I decided to work online. Why did I want to work online? I tell you why. Because I knew that's where it was at. Everybody was making income online, working home-based business online, and I really wanted to do that because I had some health issues and I knew I could do it. So I sold myself $3,500 worth of jewelry, and I got started. I did. Now, it's been ups and downs, ins and outs, because I've been in a variety of programs, didn't make a whole lot, but then made some money, and then I lost some money, which is all part of it. But I was consistent, and even until about 3.5 months ago, I continued. Even though I almost quit, I decided I would continue on with a newer program. This program I'm talking about is a task-based program, a task-based educational program with beautiful, amazing training. And of course, the leader and the creator of this program is none other than Amanda Rai. And of course, the program is called Successful Solution Method. Why am I sharing that with you today? Because today we're going to have a bit more discussion about the training and what it's all about and how we are becoming successful with the beautiful training that she provides on a daily basis. Live training, one-on-one training, the ABCs of how to build a business, your brand online through Facebook. Okay, let's carry on to the next segment. Stay to the end. It's a good one. I have some proof to share with you as well as some information. Hello, 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 my lovely friends. I'm back. And guess what? I'm going to continue on my series, Tips and Strategies for Online Marketing, of course. And today, at the top, of course, I shared before, it will be the full in-depth discussion about training and the training that's involved in Successful Solution Method, because it's wonderful training. Because, of course, training is where the money is, because when we come together doing live trainings, what happens? You are going to move faster. You're going to move together. You're going to even better, and you're going to become more successful, because when everybody comes together in one spot, especially if it's Zoom, to do an awesome live training, what happens? You guys are going to learn, and you're going to write things down, and you're going to do things well. And I'm going to go to our back office. I'm going to share with you all to do with our trainings, members area. Now, of course, when you become a member of Successful Solution Method, of course, you're going to have the back office. You're going to have access to your back office. And of course, the main part is the video. She is training you right there. She starts the training right there, showing you how to get around your back office. So these 5 packages that either you got the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum, the diamond. And the reason why I want to share about these packages to start with is this. Each one of these packages basically are basically where a marketer's at. If you're brand new, you want to start at bronze, because that is where everything is there. Okay? Where you want to start, if you're like, not, you know, a little bit about, but you just want to go further, you go to the silver package. Each package has a variety of trainings for you to learn from. These are training modules within these packages to help you move further and to become more successful online when you're working, building your business online for Facebook. So this is why I wanted to share with you today, because to me, this is important. But you see this every day. You see, you come to each one of your packages, okay? Because this one, there's training in the silver access package, all to do with sales funnels, free traffic using Facebook, Storyline. It's very good. I've actually been through this 2 or 3 times, these trainings, because they're important, because I was at that level. Now, of course, the gold level is the same thing, and you're going to learn about video marketing masterclass, which I'm actually in right now. And these are the videos. These are your video trainings as well. And that's what you want to be a part of. You want to go through each package, showing you basically where you are. These are for this package as well. And you go back to, of course, I'm on Platinum, so there's some high converting email vault as well as a custom Facebook. And I got a 30-minute sort of training session with a success coach, and it was very good. It was something I needed to learn about and understand where I was at, what I can do better. That's important. So and this is something else I'm learning about as well, the high converting email. That's part of my Platinum. Okay. So did you see each particular package is where you fit in, where you are in your marketing stages. You could be new, you could be and you could be further. And of course, Platinum, which I haven't got to yet, is more involved. There's so much going on with Platinum, with the Diamond. There's so much with the Diamond. You have attraction marketing formula, much more training, DFI custom funnel, which you'll get, DFI organic traffic setup, which you will get, and top level traffic packages. Much more, shall we say, involved because you are now a diamond package. So each one depends which level you're at. So when you start with Successful Solution Method, this is an educational platform as well, where you're being trained. And the beautiful part about being trained, every single one of these people, whichever level they go at, they start here, they start where? They go to the bronze package. And with the bronze package, there's so much training. There's fail-proof training system. There's SL Method 2 2020 update. And there's also, of course, your member training, which everybody goes to, no matter what package you're in. You start here. You start with each particular training. You go through it once. You don't have to go through me. Don't skip. Go through each training once. Write down whatever you need to write down and apply each training. Apply what you're learning through each training. And then you apply it to your Facebook. This one is expectation when you join SSM, a very good training. I was in that one. This one, organic traffic vs paid traffic, very good training. Gives you an idea what it's all about. This one here, Facebook training part 1, very good. Facebook training part 2, excellent. Facebook training part 3. So as you see, each training is in depth. Now this is Facebook curiosity post part 1, Facebook curiosity post part 2. And today we did another one about curiosity post because she's really training us. And this is a member overview, marketing psychology. She's really giving you some training. She's giving you some marketing psychology, getting you to really learn and understand. I do believe that, am I in the right track with SSM? Another good training because she wants to get you started. She wants to see, she gives you an overview. Are you doing okay? Are you doing everything else? Are you doing your tasks properly? Very good training. And this is the next phase. Are you also on the right track? She goes in depth through each training, and she wants you to write everything down, and she wants to apply, because each training you're applying as a whole, as a community together, because you work faster as a team. And this one, Facebook groups, how we can use them. Again, that's a very good training. SSM checklist is excellent. She shares with you the checklist that we should always print out. We print out this checklist, guys. Why? Because these are all the tasks we do. Monday to Sunday, we do each one of these tasks and we check them off every time we do them. Basically, we're doing a daily method of operation for a Successful Solution Method, how we are to be doing. They're important. Why are they important? Because they show that each one of us are doing our daily tasks. And through these daily tasks, we also earn a residual income because we're doing them properly. And you can see it on your Facebook page. I just wanted to go back to that one. Okay. Now, the next one is how SSM traffic works must watch. And this is a very good one. I went through this one and I went through it again, because each one you can go again once, go it twice, rereading it, writing things down, really applying. You must apply. And that's what I love about her trainings. She gives you the skinny. She tells you the truth. This one was an excellent one. This was a mindset training with Dr. Stan Harris. It was excellent, my lovely friends, because it got you the idea how to get your mindset right when you're marketing online. I tell you guys, when you get to this particular one, watch it 2 or 3 times. It'll really blow your socks off. He's an excellent trainer. Yes, he is, Dr. Stan Harris. And then the training I did today, which was very interesting, that'll be put on here as well. So go through each one slowly, write down all you need to write down, apply what each training is telling you to do. Do not skip, because when you skip, you're going to go down the wrong rabbit hole, so to speak. You're going to go down a rabbit hole and not go get anywhere. As I basically, when I was did my training today, I realized a light bulb went out. I had to go further. Because each time you do a training, you realize you have to go further. Each time you do a training, go back to it. Rewrite some information down. Really, really, it's imperative. Now, I want to share one more thing, which I'm very proud to be a part of. When we go to, pardon me. We go back to members first, and we also do 2 more trainings. And this beautiful member here, Mr. Kurt Worrell, he is a success coach as well, one of our newest ones. He does another onboard training, which I take part in. It's Sundays and Fridays at 9 a.m. Eastern. And I'm on the West Coast, so I get up extra. Why don't I get up extra early for it? Because I want to take part in this. He doesn't record them because he really, really gives you face value. I go on my cell phone because I'm half asleep. But you know what? I find his training immensely well because he really goes over. He wants your page to look well. He wants to show you some tips that he's learned and what Amanda has shared with him too. So this is an excellent training. So I get 3 days a week where I'm trained, and we all come together mostly. They're mostly for the newbies, but the other, some of us who have been in Successful Solution for a little bit now, we want to know more and they want to get that light bulb moment better. His is excellent. That's why I like the SSM onboard training. I highly recommend it, especially when you're new. Really, 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 it's amazing. It really helps how we come together as one, and we're doing the training to one, and we're learning together as one, and that's how the company and you can work, get on faster, and move forward. So that's one I want to share with you. Now I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to go to my Facebook page. Of course, it's my Facebook page. And I'm going to share with you one of our wonderful members whose engagement has improved since she has done the trainings and as well, so well, because she applied the trainings. I did too, but hers is a little bit better because once you apply the trainings, you will do even better. So let me go to my favorite lady who's also Canadian as well as success coach. Okay. And I want to share that with you as well. Let me go to her. Let me see if I can get her on here. Let me see. Here's Monica. There's Abanasser. She's wonderful. So as soon as you hit her face, that beautiful blonde hair, that beautiful big smile, which is a true smile. You see this. You see the black and the pink seems to be her signature. You see the beautiful face with the sparkles. Already you know what is she up to. She's amazing. Then you see success coach, health coach, sparkle specialist, and you see her information. Right now, you're just, whoa, you want to go down further because that's what she's learning. Those are the tasks that she's performed. Of course, she does a wonderful post here with a beautiful big smile. And here you go, 350 people have really enjoyed it with one share. What does that mean? That means she's doing her training simple to the point, give love and good energy out, give love and good energy back. That's part of her training. That's why she does well. The next one, of course, is a beautiful video, which 273 views, a lot of good likes. And she does sunshine update and a special invitation for everyone because we have webinars and she's sharing a webinar. And of course, she shared the beauty of where she lives. She lives in Kamloops. Already, you know, my God, what a beautiful place she lives in. Oh, God, I'd love to meet this person. Right? That's what the trainings are all about. She's attraction marketing here at its finest. Let me go down a little further. This one is a very simple one, but still it got 203 likes. 4 people shared it. That's 4 people, maybe 500 a pop sharing. When you think about it, it's amazing. Don't block your blessings. They're coming. Stay consistent and give yourself permission to be successful. Excellent, excellent quote. It's her poppy words, and already you know you're doing well. And then you see a wonderful post here, curiosity post. Share something quick. A happy Sunday to some peeps and my talents. Might not seem a big deal, but so she just earned $4,000 in 8 weeks doing this program, working the program, doing the tasks, earning income consistently because she's doing the tasks through her trainings. Together we win, together we win. That's what I like to share. Of course, this is a wonderful one as well. She was experimenting. I love it. This one again, you see a picture of her. Oh God, she's so beautiful. She got a smile. See the background where she lives. You see the sunny weather. You see she lives in a beautiful place. You see her sharing something beautiful. I love it. And of course, what do you see there? Oops, I wrote that, guys. You see 255 likes. Amazing, right? And this one here, there's one particular post she did. She got about maybe 600. I don't know if I can get to it. This one again, she's talking about how wonderful she earned there. And of course, 146 people liked it as one person shared it, which means it's an excellent curiosity post because she did her training well, sharing, okay? This one, it was talking about the weather, so it was kind of scary, but she wanted to share that. It was amazing, the colors. Means that she can get thunderstorms where she works, where she lives. That's basically sharing where she lives. Another wonderful post. And this one is beautiful. This is 419. That's one of her favorite ones. She says, good morning. She says the secret of handling change is to focus on progress. If you can progress on a regular basis, you feel alive. And you see the beautiful about this, you see that, you see this, and you see her smile, and you see where she's living. Beautiful. And that's what I call amazing. 419 likes right there. So you see, she's doing her trainings. She's doing it successfully. So I wanted to share her today, as well as I'll share myself a little bit as well, because I'm still learning from all these beautiful people. I'm understanding this. I just got this down. As you can see, I'm a big fan of pink. As you can see, my motto is dream, believe, take action. Now live life to the fullest. I'm a fur baby mom, an entrepreneur striving to enrich, give value, take action, marketing, and life. That's basically what I am. And you see, most of my posts have the idea of pink. This one is me and my husband. We were, as you can see, first thing you see is me. I'm at a beautiful mountain top area. Me, I'm just sharing on my, I actually did pretty good. I'm in my apartment sharing about the invitation. I was trying to make it short and sweet. This is a curiosity post of somebody who's earned some income in my company. I wanted to share that. And I like to share other people's progress as well. This one I talk about where I am as well. This one didn't do too bad. It did 233. 2 people shared it, which means that's actually very good. So that's mine. Okay, I'm still in the learning stages, but you see, I'm improving really well because I'm understanding the trainings. I'm understanding what she's saying. So this is my information, and as well as my proof today on successful solution method and how the trainings can work together. When you do the trainings and we all come together to do the training, they are a money maker. That's where the money is. When you learn and you train and you understand. Plus it is where the money is made, moving faster, in bite-sized pieces. That's what I love about her trainings. You're implementing the trainings every single time you do them. Gives you a momentum, right? Gets you right on track with what you want to do online. So I hope this gave you some value, my lovely friends, sharing about successful solution method and the awesome training we get on a daily basis. It's amazing, okay? So down below in my description, I have the successful solution method link. Click on the link, check it out. You'll really see the information that's quite interesting, as well as click the link to our Facebook page. Group as well. It's over 6,000 and growing. It's an amazing group. Hop on over there and see what it's all about and be a part of the group. Yes, we welcome new members all the time. As well as I will leave my Facebook page link down below as well. It's there for you if you want to pop over and say hello. Let's have a conversation. Let's get to know me as well, and I can answer any questions you want answered as well. Plus, I leave my phone number as well if you'd like to text me and ask for information too. So always, if you're new to my channel, please give me a like and a comment as well. Subscribe to my channel. I have many more tips and strategies, online marketing, and more coming very soon as well. Come check a look. I have much more. You will see. As well, my lovely friends, the bell down below, click it so you can get the next notification whenever my next video comes as well. So my lovely friends, I hope this gave you some value. I really wanted to share this with you today. So see you on the other side to success, my lovely entrepreneurs. Bye.